Chapter 7 More on Scratch 3. You have learned about some blocks of Scratch in previous class. You know that Scratch blocks are divided into different categories. Each block performs a different function. Let us learn more about the blocks. Different block shapes. The shapes of different Scratch blocks are different. There are 6 types of shapes of blocks in the block palette of Scratch. Hat blocks. These blocks have a rounded top and are placed at the beginning of the script. These blocks are used for an event to perform a designed task. Stack blocks. These blocks have a bowl shape cut at the top left corner and a bump at the bottom left corner. Some stack blocks are direct functions, while some contain values that can be changed. Boolean blocks. These blocks are hexagonal in shape and are used to check condition. They are either true and false. Reporter blocks. A reporter block is a code block that has either rounded or angled sides and is designed to provide information for other code blocks to process. C blocks. These blocks are shaped like a C. These are also called wrap blocks. They act as a container for other sets of blocks. These perform conditions and loops. Cap blocks. These blocks are used to stop the script. These are placed at the end of the script. These have a notch at the top and a flat bottom. This is so as we cannot place any block below them. Block categories. The blocks in Scratch are divided into different categories based on their functions. In most of these blocks, we can change the values to suit our script. Motion blocks. These are used to control the movement or motion of a sprite. Motion blocks are blue in color. They are only used for sprites and for backdrops. Some of them are block description. Move 10 steps. Move the sprite forward or backward according to a given number. When we write the value with a minus sign, the sprite moves backward. Turn 15 degrees. Rotate the sprite clockwise. Turn 15 degrees. Rotate the sprite anti-clockwise. Go to X, 0, Y, 0. Moves the sprite to a specified X and Y position on the stage. Point in direction 90. Makes the sprite point in a specific direction, 0 equal to up, 90 equal to right, 180 equal to down, minus 90 equal to left. If on edge, bounce, turns the sprite in the opposite direction when it touches the edge of the stage. Set rotation style, left-right. Sets the face direction of a sprite to move left-right or in all directions. Looks blocks. Looks blocks are purple in color. They are used to control the appearance of a sprite or a backdrop and the size of the sprite and their position. Block description. Say hello for 2 seconds. This block is used to add a speech bubble to the sprite for the given time. Say hello. This block adds a speech bubble to the sprite with the given text. This speech bubble will continue to appear until another speech or thought block is activated or the stop button is pressed. Think for 2 seconds. This block is used to add a thought bubble to the sprite for the given time. Think This block adds a thought bubble to the sprite. This thought bubble will continue to appear until another thought or speech bubble block is activated or the stop button is pressed. Switch costume to Costume 2. Changes the sprite's appearances by switching to a specified costume. Next costume. Changes the sprite's costume to next costume. Switch backdrop to backdrop 1. changes the stage's appearance by switching to a specified backdrop. Next backdrop changes the stage's appearance to the next backdrop. Change color effect by 25 changes the sprite according to the selected effect. Show, hide, make the sprite appear or hide on the stage. Clear graphic effects clears all the graphic effects assigned to a sprite.